Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm pretty ashamed because I'm going to show you my whole washi tape collection. I have an addiction to washi tape, and in these years I started 2 years ago, and in the meantime I've collected hundreds, literally hundreds of washi tape. I've counted them and they are something like 200, well 2000 no, but 206, 208, well, too big of a number. And I'm going to categorize this washi tape based on color organization for the ones that are, let's say, random, and then I'm going to organize the others by a set or a theme. To swatch all of my washi tape collection, I'm going to use this bullet journal from Notebook Therapy. It's part of a set of 4 different grid bullet journal from the Ritsuki collection, and I'm going to use the same journal for different type of swatches. Yes, in the future I'm going to make a video where I'm going to swatch all of my markers, brush pens, fine liners, everything you can think of, so stay tuned. There are so many beautiful designs out there. I bought them mostly from AliExpress. If you don't know, AliExpress is a site, a Chinese site where you can buy not only stationery items, but you can find stationery items for a really cheap price because they came directly from factory, so you don't have additional prices. And this is my collection, as you can see, is huge. And in fact, every time that someone orders from my shop, from my Etsy shop, and I leave the link in the description down below, I always provide with a free washi tape samples where I share with my clients 3, 4, 5 or 6 sample of washi tape. I have too many and it's a waste because of course I always use them, but they are so many, and before I finish them all I would be probably 50. As I have already mentioned, I've started this collection something like 2 years ago when I got into bullet journal, and I don't know if it can be considered like a long period of time, but it's something that I've grown over time. So if you are starting right now bullet journal, you don't have to feel pressured to have all of this washi tape. Well, anyone have to be pressured to own this many washi tape because it's not necessary. As I've already said, it's an addiction, and since I can buy them for something like 60 cents, it's easy to collect them. And well, in the meantime, I have an Instagram account where I can say that it's my job, because it's not my job is graphic design, but we can say that it's my job to show everyone lots of spreads, different themes, ideas, inspiration, and so it's not necessary, but it's part of my job to own a lot of things, and many of these things were sent to me by shops or companies, so it's easy to collect them. And right now it's been a month since I've bought my last washi tape, and I'm trying to refrain myself from compulsively, oh my god, it's really hard to say that. Moreover, I literally don't have space on my desk, in my bedroom, anywhere to store them. I know that many of you will be interested in some of this washi tape, and I promise I will try, well, I will link all of them in the description box down below. Maybe some of them won't be available anymore, I'm sorry, but I will try my best. Now, before letting you enjoy the last part of this video, I wanted to welcome all of my new subscribers. Welcome in this channel, and thank you very much for joining me in this new journey that is YouTube. As I always say, if you have some suggestions, for example, some kind of video that you want to see, some challenges, some trend, an informative video, leave a comment down below. So, this is my collection. I hope you have found some cute washi tape, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you want to be part of this community and this family, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, so that you won't miss any of my content. And if you don't, follow me on Instagram. This is my username. Thank you again for watching, and see you next time. Love you all. Bye bye.